Our 3-line cable trough is a top-tier product renowned for its exceptional load-bearing capacity and outstanding quality. Crafted from high-strength, durable materials, it can withstand an impressively heavy load, ensuring that even in demanding industrial or construction environments, it maintains its structural integrity. Reinforced with advanced manufacturing techniques, this cable trough is resistant to deformation, wear, and tear, guaranteeing long-term reliable performance. Whether you need to organize and support multiple heavy cables or install it in areas with high stress requirements, our 3-line cable trough is up to the task. Its superior quality makes it a trusted choice for professionals who prioritize both functionality and longevity in cable management solutions.